Welcome to Lithos Learns. If you've ever made slime before, you're going to want to take it to the next level and make it magnetic. Corey is going to show you how.
Hi, my name is Corey, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to make black magnetic slime. So, there are a few things you'll need for this. School glue, a liquid starch, and magnetite powder, which is FeO3. So first, you're going to want to prepare your surface. Plastic, a cut-up paper bag, or cardboard works great for this. Next, you're going to want to get your ingredients together. Like I said earlier, white glue, liquid starch, and magnetite powder. The recipe is equal parts of all three of these, and we have kits available for sale. White glue is going to be the basis for our slime. Liquid starch is what binds it together and turns it into something handleable. And our magnetization comes from FeO3, which, as you can see, is very, very attracted to a magnet. This is black iron oxide. You're also going to need something to mix everything together. I'm using a regular plastic bowl. So first, pour in your starch. Hold a little back just in case you need to edit the recipe at the end. Then, pour in your glue. And the same thing with this. Hold a little back just in case you need to edit the recipe. Then, you can start mixing. So if your slime is too stringy, you add more glue, and if it's too sticky, you add more glue. You can also let it sit in the starch in order to make it stiffen up a little bit more. Next, you're going to add in your magnetite powder. Now this step is where you might need to add some glue, because this turns the slime very stiff, but be careful. This turns your hands very black, so make sure that your hands are washed immediately after this step is complete. So keep thoroughly mixing, and you can tear it apart and put it back together, but add a little glue because you want a nice glossy texture on your slime at the end. So before we get to the good stuff, how does this work? So magnets throw out magnetic fields, which exit the North Pole and enter back in at the South Pole. Certain molecules, such as iron, or iron oxide, which is FeO3, also have poles, meaning that the south poles are attracted to the north poles of the iron oxide, and the north poles are attracted to the south poles of the magnet. So, the red side of this molecule would be attracted to the blue side of the magnet that I showed earlier. So these molecules attach to the magnetic field and then are attracted to one side of the magnet. That's what makes our slime so magnetic. Now this is all about creativity, so you should be able to make something even cooler than I can. But these are just a few examples of what you can do with your slime. You can see that it almost looks like it's alive, as it sort of eats up the magnet whole, and you can even leave it in the magnet to have it be sucked in by the slime. Even faster than gravity can do it. Alright, that's been all for me. Have a good day.
Thank you, Corey. We have kits for this project on our website at lithosarvada.com. And remember to like and subscribe to see new videos every week. Thank you.